I set out in my Jeep at dawn with tires air down low. No road in sight, just rocks and ruts and anywhere to go. Got a burrito wrapped in foil, sitting snug and neat, heated by the engine block and smelling mighty sweet. The trail gets rough, the gears they groan, the radio don't work, but I've got beans and beef a sizzling right near the intake lurk. It's not fast food, it's crawl speed stew, cooked on the sly. And if you think that's dinner done, just wait for apple pie. Manifold apple pie, bake while I climb the hill, wrapped up tight in foil and hope and warmed by rolling will. No oven, no stove, no kitchen in sight, just a Jeep and a trail and a desert cooked right. Now some folks laugh and say it's nuts to cook beneath the hood, but if you've ever baked a pie while crawling in low gear, with cinnamon and applesauce for miles and motor time, you'd trade your fancy oven for that good old engine grind. So while the city dines with linen and chef-approved decor, I'm eating lunch off cylinder heads with nature out the door. And when dessert is ready, I just pull off to the side and crack the foil to freedom, that manifold apple pie. Manifold apple pie, sweet like a mountain breeze, a little taste of homemade baked between the trees. So fire up that inline six, give back road to try, and don't forget dessert. Manifold apple pie.
Mm-hmm. Oh. Mm-hmm.